Hello, Lions, and welcome to Monumental Monday, October 7th at Linda Elementary School. I am Mr. Garcia, your assistant principal, and there is no other place I would rather be than right here on the Linda campus this morning. Why monumental? Well, what does monumental mean? It means like great, of huge importance, of great significance, something that's monumental. Just another word for you. The temperature today is going to be 99 degrees. Once again, still very warm. Teachers, thank you very much for getting your lunch count and attendance in. We always really appreciate that. Students, no toys or games are allowed at school from home. No toys or games from home. Please do not bring them. I put that in capital letters on there, so I say it loud, okay? World's finest chocolate is here, so come and get it. It's available. The students are going to be having it around campus, sometimes even in the office. Sixth grade leadership club begins today after school from 2:30 to 4, so don't miss out. Meet in room P10. Okay, students, the words of PBIS. What are the three words of PBIS? Ready? Respectful, responsible, safe. Very good. Remember, we're trying to do our best to be kind with our words, to give our very best in all that we do. Okay, so now let's get into some roar cards. We've got a few of them. Okay, first starting with Aylin and Miss Michaela's class. The sub said she was so helpful with cleaning up. Thank you, Aylin. Great job. Daxton, Tara, and Nunez's class. Daxton has been doing a great job at staying on task and focused, even when the class gets a little bit off task. Angie and Mrs. Coughlin's class. Angie's a great role model to her classmates. Perseverance through math lessons, work hard. We have a little story about math lessons, but you get a heart there from Mrs. Coughlin. We've got a little story in just a minute about that. Stella and Mrs. Coughlin's class has done a great job with long division. Oh my gosh, you are right on my story with math and division. She persevered and now she can help others. Great job, Heart, Mrs. Coughlin. Great job, Stella. Jesse and Mrs. Adamson's class always has a smile on his face. He's a positive, happy student, always also doing great in AR. You got a heart there from Mrs. Adamson. Jesse, congratulations. Eric and Mrs. Paplo's class was cleaning up a mess that was not his. It was not only his. Mrs. Paplo gives you a heart. She's very thankful for that. Nathan and Mrs. Paplo's class organized the class headphones when they were left a mess. Wow, great job. You also get a heart there, Nathan, from Mrs. Paplo. And then Tanner Waymeyer and Mrs. Sanchez's class. He is so respectful. His respect was recognized by the presenter at our BMX assembly. That's right. I remember that, Tanner. Great job. Nice to see that going on. Okay, so let's talk about lunch and birthdays. Okay, so for lunch today, barbecue cheeseburger and mac and cheese. You're going to have a dinner roll and some rice. I got plenty of carbs there. Don't worry about that. You're going to have some baked beans, also good carbs in the baked beans, some coleslaw, some mini carrots, and some tomatoes. Sounds good. And some milk. So very good on that. Okay, we have no birthdays for today, believe it or not. So there's a story here, kind of a joke, but kind of serious too, and it has to do with math. Why do math teachers argue so much? Because they like division. All right, let's go and thank you very much, Rena Zhang, for that. That comes from Rena, one of our fifth graders. Let's put our hand over our heart, hats off, hoods off, hand over our heart, facing the flag. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, very good, everybody. Okay, remember, be here every day. Don't miss school, because when you miss school, you miss out. So be here every day. And remember, the world is a different place. The world is a better place because you're in it. So have a great day, Lions, and we'll see you around.